Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we will learn about database, and then we will learn about data, the difference between data and information. Okay. So data is actually a raw data that you get first hand, not processed. Okay. Information is data that has been processed. Okay. So before we start our lesson in database, you have to know all these things. Okay. Data, and then how it become information. How can it be informational for you? Okay. So if you can see here, can you see my screen share?
Yeah.
Okay. So what you see here is staff, yes, yes. This data doesn't give any meaning to you. Does it give any meaning to you when you look at this? Can you understand anything by this?
No.
No, right? Okay. So can you please recall back what we have learned in Excel? When you create a table, what's the first thing I ask you to do?
Add headings.
Yes. You add headings or you add the data, the table heading, isn't it? Okay.
Yeah.
So in order for data to be informational, you have to add heading. Okay. So you have to add some additional information here. Let's see here, student name Jeff, is he present? Yes. Okay. Is he authorized to be absent? Because he's present. So, okay. Sophie. Let's see, Sophie. Present? Yes. No. Sophie is not here in our class today. Okay. She has MC? Okay. Did she go to clinic and get medical certificate from the doctor? Yes. What about Max? Max, no, didn't come, and Max did not get any MC at all. So you can see from here, you can make some information, you can relate to something, okay? You can make some conclusion out of the data that is in front of you. So that is information, okay? Something like this. This is just a data. When you add heading, it becomes information. So can you understand so far? So far, not so far. So far, can you understand what I'm talking about? Okay, good. Okay, now I'm giving you around 3 minutes. Okay. Okay, sorry. Can you look around in your house? Okay, 3 minutes. Look around in your house, or think of anything, okay, in your house that you can create something like this, a table, okay, from a data that you can create information. I give you example, list of books that I have, okay. From that I can make I can make a table out of it, and from that raw data I can create information, okay? Or okay, so I give you around 3 minutes. Think other than books that you have, because I've taken that idea. Okay, 3 minutes. Can you see the board? Okay, I'll use the board later when my light is when I got my light. Okay. Let's look at chat. We're so busy chatting. Okay, Humaira said plants, maybe plant in her garden. Do not write in Excel. Just gather the idea first. Okay. Later on, you can create in Excel after this. Okay. From there, you will create in Excel. Imtiaz asked, do we write in Excel? You can also if you want to do it now. Okay. You can. Or you can create a table on a paper. Example, I want to use the whiteboard, but my certain thing is not here yet, so it's okay. Let's say number, book, title, author, genre.
How is your line so straight?
Can you see this? I have number, book title, and then I have author, and I have genre of the book. Okay. Types of phone. Yes, your mom's phone. Your mom might have 5 phones. Your dad have 10 phones. You have 2 only. Your sister has 3. Okay. Or type of electrical appliance in your home. Okay. You might have what? Vacuum cleaner, microwave, all those things. Or type of plants in your mom's garden. Or type of shoes of your mom's shoes or your dad's shoes or whatever. Okay. So anything that you can create a database. Yeah. You can create a table with. Okay. Type of pans. That is true. You know, my sister has lots of pans. You mean cooking pans? My sister has lots of cooking pans.
Cooking pans?
Yes, cooking. You know, pan.
Oh, I thought
Cooking, frying pan, frying.
pans.
Yeah, I know. Cooking pans.
Not pan.
Yeah, cooking pan. Pan. Okay, so cat. Some people has lots of cats. I know that. Oh, Peter Pan is always my favorite. Oi! Band entertainment bias.
Bias.
Wrong. Wrong spelling. Okay. Come on, let's continue with our lesson. Let's stop this. Okay. Are you done? Man, I'm not asking you. I'm asking you, are you done? My daughter answer yes.
She say yes to her teacher.
Okay. Yes, can we stop chatting and focus to class? Are you done?
Yes.
Good. Okay. So, Imtiaz, what's your answer? What is the type of data, data that you can create into information in your house? Imtiaz cannot talk suddenly. Okay. Imtiaz say mobiles. Okay. Zaid Al-Huda.
Organizing movies.
Oh, yes. I like that one.
Like
can
who
give
made
you-
the movie,
Yes.
when it is released, what type of movie is it,
What's
the
your
name
favorite
of the
movie?
movie. My favorite movie, I like Spider-Man Into Spider-Verse.
Okay. I like him too. He has playful characteristic. Okay. Okay. Listen up. Can you give me one example of very, 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 very famous database that people are using right now that is related to movie? Widely used right now.
Box office? I don't know.
Widely used by all of you. I mean, most of you.
What?
I mean, the database, okay, that has all
Data
the
that movies use?
that the
Netflix?
data that store movies, okay,
Is
that is
Netflix?
yes, Netflix is one of it. Yeah, Netflix,
Oh, okay.
YouTube. So all of this is actually a database. Okay, inside
Disney
it,
Plus.
it has a database that store all these things. Okay, all the movies. Okay, that is an example of one database that we can see. Okay, so let's go back to our class. Okay, I need you to look at this. Okay, I need you to look at this. Wait, I'm not sure whether you can get, wait, let me just check, yeah. Who off it? I'm just trying this. I just need to see your feedback from here, okay, whether it's working or not. Okay, can you all new share? Okay, can you see this?
Databases are everywhere, but you never see them.
Yeah.
Hidden behind the tools and services that you use every day. Ever wondered where Facebook, Tumblr, and Twitter put the data? Yeah, it's all stored in a database. Where do Google store the details of the pages that they index from the internet? Yep, in a database. Where are the contacts in your mobile phone stored? In a database. Databases do most of the work in the information systems that we use every day. So what is a database? Is it just a random collection of stuff all squeezed in together? No, databases are organized. Databases have a structure. All the data we store in them fits into this structure. Very simple databases are called flat file databases.
Okay.
They store data in columns of fields and rows of records. Let's think about a simple database.
Okay, so what we will learn, actually we'll be doing a flat file database first, yeah? So that is a very simple database where you have one table itself. It's not related to each other, okay? You see, when in Excel, you create a table, right? You can create a table. But, wait, time is almost up. Okay. But in Excel, what you can do is actually, you can create a table and you can relate it to another table. You can retrieve the data, you can edit, and you can delete the data. Okay, so this is something that is even better. Okay, so that's why Excel are mainly used for calculation and database is used to store information. Okay, Microsoft Word that we use or Word application are used to play around with document. Okay, so these are different types of apps that we have. Okay, so right now we are talking about a database. In the first beginning of the video, they were telling you, the video is telling you what are the type of database that we have. Okay, can you see it clearly? I mean the voice and everything. I just want you to I just want some feedback from you. Can you?
Yeah, we can.
Okay, good. Let's continue.
Bob uses to store his address book. This database contains the names, addresses, birthdays, and telephone numbers of his friends and family. Bob has met his friend Megan and would like to add her to his address book. He writes down her first name, last name, address, postcode, and date of birth so he can remember to send her a birthday card, and her telephone number. The details that Bob writes down are stored in fields in his address book database. These are the columns in his database file.
Okay, in Excel, this is called column, but in Access it's called field. Okay, we'll go in detail for this later in the next class. I cannot give everything all at one class right now. Okay.
The information about Megan fills a whole row in his database file. Each row is called a record, and each of the rows holds information about a different person in his address book.
Okay, in Excel it's called row. It's called row, but in Access it's called record. Okay, so that's the difference. Okay, but when I say field and record, you all know what it means already. You should know. Okay.
Unlike a paper address book, Bob can carry out operations on his stored database. He can search it to find a particular person. Hey, let's look for Megan. If we search the whole address book for Megan.
Okay, I would like you to pay attention to this because I'm telling you what is it all about. Why you are talking in the chat? For what?
I have no idea.
I mean, why are you wasting your time like this? If not, you better don't come to class. Huh? You are supposed to pay attention to what I'm telling you right now, what I'm showing you right now. And you are so busy chatting here, something that is not related to the lesson. Pay attention. Because database is very important. This class is very important. This one you will take in IGCSE. It will be in paper 3 or paper 2. I'm not, if I'm not mistaken. If it's not for the exam, I mean, pay attention. And you can talk about other crap thing after the class. I mean, you talk, you have WhatsApp, just crap whatever you want inside the WhatsApp group. Now it's for you to pay attention. And by doing this, you are actually disturbing the whole class. While I'm saying this, I'm recording this so that I can post it to you also. For those who are unable to come, for those who have problem with your connection and everything.
Then we might be surprised at what we get back. Bob can make the search more accurate by selecting the field he wants. So he can ask the database to return all the records where first name equals Megan. Or he could ask the database to show everyone with a birthday in December. He can sort the database to show the records in a different order.
Okay, I will not show all of it, okay? Something later on you will do, okay? What are the things that you can do with database, yeah? So now what I need you to do, okay? Create a simple table in Excel first, yeah? Create a simple table in Excel about data data that you can get in your house. Like I asked you to think just now, right? So Zaid came up with a database of movies, okay? And someone can write about Humaira, plant or rabbit or whatever that you have, okay? Create a table in Excel, okay? Yes, this is your work. Okay, when is it due? Due is by Friday. Okay. I will post this in Edmodo. I will open the section in Edmodo. Okay, we don't have much time here. We have 3 minutes more before the class end.
Teacher,
Yes.
can I make like a data for my family, like their names, their birthday, like that?
Can. Can.
Okay.
Also can. Okay. Add at least 5 record. If you don't have 5, create until 5. Okay. You can make believe. Okay, until 5. So please do that in Excel and submit it to Edmodo. Okay. So am I clear? Do you have any question that you want to ask? No,
Alright, now.
one table with 5 rows. So busy talking, you don't pay attention. Yeah, he wasn't. This your submission of your work is considered as your attendance. Submission of work is considered as your attendance. So if you want to do today, can, but submission tomorrow I will gather everything. Okay, due date is tomorrow. Okay. So a table, it doesn't matter how many columns you have, but you have to have 5 rows. Or in other words, you have to have 5 fields. No, you have to have whatever fields that you need and 5 records. Okay. So am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Favorite video game?
Yeah.
Or video game that you have? Doesn't matter whether it's favorite or not. Okay, any question that you want to ask? No, I hope it's clear. I hope the next class when you come, nobody will come in with your wonderful names that you have. Okay. Or please do not chat while I'm teaching or presenting. Okay, this is very important. This is just like when I'm teaching in the class and you are talking. Okay, so you are actually disturbing the class. Okay, and you are disturbing me teaching. Okay, so any question that you want to ask? No? Nope, nope.
No.
Okay. So I'll be seeing you again, inshallah, in next class, which is tomorrow. Okay. So that's all and that's it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.